only down into the mid-20s range, even into tomorrow morning. And oh yeah, temperatures will be dropping as well. Wind advisory in the Smokies. That means above 3,000 feet. We can see winds gusting over 55 miles per hour at times as we go into tomorrow afternoon. All right, here's kind of a wider perspective of that cold front. It's knocking on the doorstep of the western part of our state. There is moisture to the north. We may squeeze out a sprinkle or two coming through, but that's not the big story. It's the drop in temperatures. We're sitting at 50 right now. 32 in Indianapolis, 37 in Kansas City. Closer look, the southerly winds screaming, which is why it's so warm, relatively speaking, across the area. But watch what happens as we go a little bit later tonight. We'll go from about near 50 degrees now, dropping pretty rapidly as you head out the door tomorrow morning. We're going to be in the mid to upper 30s by 7 a.m. here, but there'll be some 20s on the plateau. By the time we get to lunchtime, we're still holding in the mid 30s thanks to a little bit of sunshine. We'll probably stay right in that range by about 4 o'clock when the kids are heading home. Shortly thereafter, though, after that sun angle has dipped down, these temperatures are going to drop very rapidly. This time tomorrow night, we're talking about 20s, and when you wake up Friday morning, single digits in spots like Kentucky 9. These are wind chill values. These are actual temperatures. 11 Oneida, 13 in Jamestown, and we'll be at about 16 here in the Knoxville area. Not much recovery by the time we get into the afternoon Friday. Even with sunshine, it's going to be a lot like yesterday where we struggle. Mid to upper 30s, maybe some near 40 in spots, but that's going to be pretty cold indeed. A little bit better for the weekend. Chilly start, low 20s on Saturday morning, mid 40s by the afternoon, and then mid 50s by the time we get to Sunday afternoon. The one thing is, though, clouds are starting to build as we go through the day Sunday because our next weather maker already moving in as we go overnight Sunday into Monday. Going to keep during the day Sunday dry, but notice by 11 p.m. already a few showers starting to move into the area, and they'll continue to increase as we head into our Monday morning across the region. So it will all be liquid, though, by the time we get there. 49, a little misleading. Again, that'll probably just past midnight here. Temperatures will fall through the 30s as we go through the day, and that is a cold start, my friends, on Friday morning, down to 16 degrees with a high of only 37. Low 20s on Saturday morning. We finally thaw out by Sunday with mid 50s, and as I mentioned, next week, whatever we see falling from the sky looks to be liquid as temperatures will be close to 60 on Monday and Tuesday across the area. Tom?